Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in back into my channel. It's been a minute since I posted a video, but I'm happy that you guys came back. I want to thank my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for coming back to see me, and I hope everyone is doing okay during the coronavirus and that you're keeping yourself, your family, and your loved ones, safe and, secure. So today's video is going to be on how to get your measurements. Okay, so when wig making, it's very important that you have accurate measurements. Okay, so I'm gonna go over that with you all today for my wig makers. If you're looking to give a video to your clients on how to make, but if you can refer my video, that would be great on how to get the measurements. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before you take your measurements, you want to have your hair the way that you would wear it underneath your wig for accurate measurements. So for me, I usually wrap my hair underneath and I wear a stocking cap so that way my hair is secure underneath. Okay, so however you wear your hair underneath your wig, that's how you want to take your measurements. Okay, so you're gonna need a measuring tape. Okay, so the first measurement that we want is the circumference, right? That's going to be the measurement that you use for the blockhead. All right, and I'll leave all of the stuff that I'm using in the description box below, and you can refer to it when you need to. Okay, so the first measurement, again, we're going to get the circumference. So we're going to take the measuring tape and we're going to wrap it around our heads. Okay, all the way around. And if someone is with you, you can have them help you if need be. Okay, and you want to make sure that the measuring tape is not over your head. Okay, so I'm measuring at, move my finger, I'm measuring at a 22. Okay, so that's the circumference, that's the blockhead that I will use. Okay, the next measurement that we'll need is front to nape. Okay, so we'll take the measuring tape and we'll stop where our nape is. Okay, so the measuring tape needs to be right here where your hairline will start. Okay, and then your nape will be right here where your neck is starting for your hair. Okay, so I'm going to take the measuring tape off and I'm measuring at 15. Okay, so my circumference is 22, my nape is 15, and the measurement that I'm using is inches. Okay, then we need the temple to temple. So we're gonna do our temples here. Okay, so we're gonna measure. So this is our temple to temple measurement. Okay, so the measurements, again, the temple to temple needs to be here. Okay, so my temple to temple measurement is 16 inches. Okay, then we want to get our nape to nape. Okay, so we'll measure from one end of our nape to the other end, okay? Alright, so my nape is measuring at 5.5 inches. Alright, my measurement for my nape is 5.5 inches, okay? Then we need, if we're working with a frontal, we'll need ear to ear around top, okay? So this is for frontals. We want that measurement there. All right, and this is important so that way we know where to put the frontal, and when it's time to cut the cap from underneath the frontal, we'll know exactly how much of the frontal we need to cut. This is also important for our glueless methods, okay? So keep that in mind. So you need this measurement, okay? So you'll see ear to ear, round top. All right, and my measurement is 13, okay? Okay, so that wraps up my head measurements that you need to make your unit, or for wig makers, measurements that you should be getting from your customers when you make their wigs, okay? I hope that this video was helpful and that you were able to use it. If you're interested about the wig cap that I'm using, I'll leave a link for that below. I recommend that you get a wig cap that matches your skin complexion, because it's best to do that when you're wearing your wigs. If you're not using lace tint, a good colored wig cap will be best. So there are different colors. There are lighter beige colors, there's black, but I'm using a tan color, okay? So I thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. If you're interested in having me make you a wig, I'm currently in the process of having a booking site developed, and I'm hoping that it will be up and running soon. You can always email me at Slay Custom Units. My information will be down below. You can hit me up. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook at Slay Custom Units. I'll be sure to leave all of the details down below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.